Located in Newburyport, Massachusetts, Rochester Electronics is a trusted U.S.-based partner for high-reliability semiconductor manufacturing and hybrid assembly services. With more than 160,000 square feet dedicated to assembly, we deliver a complete range of hybrid assembly solutions, manufactured entirely in the United States, to safeguard continuity of supply for mission-critical industries such as aerospace, defense, and medical, where long life cycles and uncompromising reliability are essential. Based upon our success as a qualified MIL PRF 38535 supplier, we now manufacture hybrid devices for MIL PRF 38534. Rochester Electronics upholds the highest standards of quality and performance. Our state-of-the-art hybrid assembly line sets us apart, featuring in-process, real-time laser trimming with integrated circuit testing to ensure precision and consistency at every stage of production. From component placement and plasma cleaning to automated optical inspection and seam sealing, each process is purpose-built to maximize reliability, performance, and yield. All manufacturing is executed domestically, providing superior quality control, long-term support, and supply chain confidence. When the original manufacturer discontinued a critical radar component, it created an immediate sustainment challenge for active aircraft. Our team engineered and qualified a direct, drop-in replacement to the original specifications, helping preserve mission readiness, avoid costly redesigns, and extend the operational life of warfighter aircraft for decades. At Rochester Electronics, we keep your business moving, today and for the long term, delivering hybrid assembly solutions you can rely on when performance matters most.